I invoke my rights for
Sasakyan na ginamit mo
Self-incrimination, Your Honor.
pagpasok sa Espacio Hotel.
Hindi ko na po masasagot, Your Honor.
Ano yung sabi ninyo? Mayroong logbook? Have you seen the logbook of that hotel?
May I refer that to the Intel?
We requested for a copy of the CCTV nung specific time na yon. Then we were able to get the copy wherein doon po nakita yung pagpasok ni Sergeant Democrito at Sergeant Dexter nung gabi. Then pag-check out nila the following
day.
Yes, sir. With
So in other words,
luggages.
you're trying to tell this committee na overnight sila ron.
Yes, sir.
Dala yung pera.
As to the information we received, sir.
Yun nga.
Yes, sir.
Sergeant Democrito,
Yes, Your Honor.
do you agree with the statement of the good colonel na nag-check-in ka sa Espacio Hotel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you stayed there overnight?
Yes, Your Honor.
What was your vehicle in going there?
Nagpahinga lang din, Your Honor, kasi
What is your vehicle? What is the vehicle that you use in going there?
Hindi ko na po masasabi, Your Honor.
I'll walk you there. Oy, wag mo ako lulukohin and I'll see to it you get out of this goddamn service. I'll see to it na lahat, pati criminal cases, i-file sa'yo. Lahat ng pinag-interasan ko, na-dismiss na. At napailan pa ng criminal case. Ibig mo sabihin, hindi mo alam yung sasakyan na ginamit mo pagpasok, may tinatago ka.
Your Honor, nakapag-execute na po kasi ako ng mga affidavit namin doon sa mga
So what?
depensa po namin. So, I invoke my rights for
Sasakyan na ginamit mo
Self-incrimination, Your Honor.
pagpasok sa Espacio Hotel.
Hindi ko na po masasagot, Your Honor.
Hindi mo?
Masasagot po.
Hindi pa sasagot.
Hindi mo masasagot.
Apo, yeah.
Sinong kasama mo?
Staff Sergeant Danilo Desder po.
Sino?
Staff Sergeant Danilo Desder po.
Sino yun? Would you have the same answer na hindi mo rin alam kung anong sasakyan ang ginamit nyo?
I cannot recall, Your Honor.
You cannot recall. Sige, your day will come.
But Congressman Akop, I just like to remind you that these people, no? Ano pangalan ng salita? Ikaw?
Staff Sergeant Democrito po, Your Honor.
Democrito, saka yung driver, ano pangalan?
Si
Desden. Kayong dalawa ang kasama doon sa pinaglagyan ng pera. Di ba?
Sila nga
At kaya
nagbilang.
hindi yung masasagot yung mga katanungan ni Congressman Akop dahil yun ang ginagamit yung sasakyan. Yung sasakyan ni Quijana. Di ba? Kaya hindi yung masagot kasi yun ang totoo eh. Ha? Pinatatagal nyo, they're just prolonging the agony. But at the end of the day, magkakaproblema kayo at magkakaroon kayo talaga ng kaso at makukulong kayo. Maniwala kayo sa amin.
Mr. Chair,
Sige, Congressman Busita.
baka si Staff Sergeant Democrito and Sergeant Dexter, baka gusto niyong bigyan namin kayo ng second chance. Anong sasakyan ginamit niyo? Anong sasakyan ginamit niyo?
Hindi ko na po maalala, Your Honor.
Sergeant Dexter. Okay, gentleman's agreement. Pag na-prove namin na nagsisinungaling kayo, next hearing, first time niyo siguro makukulong dito sa Kongreso. Mr. Chair, thank you.
And we will make it sure, no? If this, well, it's all allegation coming from us, but we are basing our allegation on the submitted documents to us, and then we will be deeply dig on this issue regarding that car that enter sa Espacio Hotel. At pag nalaman namin na sasakyan mo, Major Quijana, at kayong dalawa ang nakasakay doon, pagbalik nyo dito, we will be citing you in contempt.
Mr. Chair,
Sige, Congressman Akop.
I'll just add to the statement of the Honorable Busita. I will not agree na dito sila ikulong. Doon sa Quezon City Jail siguro sila ikukulong. That is